Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to language learning. As you know, this is Sepedi lessons channel. So today we're going to be doing a new category of plurals in Sepedi. So we're going to be looking at the words plurals. So today we're going to be looking at the body parts plurals. So without a waste of time, let's get right in with our today's video. So the first one we have eyes. Eyes are called maso. Eyes are called maso. Noses. Noses are called di-unko. Noses. Di-unko. Ears. Di-tsebe. Ears. Di-tsebe. Heads. Di-hlogo. Heads. Di-hlogo. Hairs. Meriri. Hairs. Meriri. Lips. Melomo. Lips. Melomo. Arms. Matsogo. Arms. Matsogo. Hands. Diatla. Hands. Diatla. Legs. Maoto. Legs. Maoto. Fingers. Menwana. Fingers. Menwana. Nails. Manala. Nails. Manala. Knees. Knees. Matolo. Knees. Matolo. Tongues. Maleme. Tongues. Maleme. Teeth. Meno. Teeth. Meno. Chest. Dihara. Chest. Dihara. Stomachs. Di-umpa. Stomachs. Di-umpa. Legs. Melala. Legs. Melala. Breasts. Matswele. Breasts. Matswele. Sides. Dirope. Sides. Dirope. Bones. Maraco. Bones. Maraco. Lungs. Maswafu. Lungs. Maswafu. Heart. Di-pilu. Heart. Di-pilu. Faces. Di-fahlego. Faces. Di-fahlego. Skins. Matlalo. Skins. Matlalo. So that's it for our today's video. So that's it for our plurals video. So I will see you in the next part of plurals. So if you have any words that you would like to know that plurals in Sepedi language, please don't hesitate to drop them on the comment section. For now, don't forget to stay tuned and also like and subscribe. I'll see you in